Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. These questions come from Dr. Amma. What are the causes of stridor during therapeutic hypothermia and rewarming? It's due to two reasons. The first one, due to reflex closure of the glottis. And the second one, it's due to the hypothermia-induced capillary leak and the larynx edema may cause stridor. Actually, during the hypothermia, glottis mechanics it change during the hypothermia and rewarming. It lead to reflex closure of the glottis. This reflex closure of the glottis leading to stridor. The second reason, the hypothermia itself can cause capillary leak and larynx edema. Maybe also it will cause stridor. Put in your mind, regardless of the mechanism of the stridor observed during or after the hypothermia or therapeutic hypothermia, it has been easy to resolve with just nebulization or rhythmic epinephrine or rhythmic or adrenaline. It will resolve spontaneously. So what is the cause of stridor during hypothermia or therapeutic hypothermia and rewarming? Due to reflex closure of the glottis, and the second one due to capillary leak and laryngeal edema. And actually it will resolve spontaneously, or it can resolve with nebulization with adrenaline. ومن أحيا فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا.